Oh, it's coughing, Lord. Well, hello. Good day. So, my plan was to go out, you know, do a really, really good summer fun look, go outside and start shooting, but it's raining. So, we still don't give the people what they need, because they don't know what they want. We're going to give them what they need. I got my lovely niece, Anaya, right here. And I know you guys can't see, but it's pretty much overwhelming. I have part of my collection out here. So I'm going to let her go through a little bit and pick out something, and we're going to give her a look with it. What's calling you, sis? What's calling you?
I like this Flamingo.
Didn't we do this one before?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think this is what we did before. But this is the Flamingo palette by Voss. Got these colors right here. Show me your face. They know my face. Ooh. Ooh. This one calling you? You didn't see what we got?
Crayon.
Oh, we got the crayon box from the Crayon case. This one also got the colors, all the colors. There. You feeling this one? We're going for something colorful, something tropical. What you feeling? What's in your spirit? Oh, we got the MacBook also from the Crayon case. All matte, all the colors, everything fall.
Like this one.
You like this one? What colors is calling you? Come through. What you need? Oh, the periwinkle. What colors? We got this. A collections of indie brand. Got some Sydney grapes over there. Some Canadian brand. Clionadh Cosmetics. I don't know. I'll link it below, y'all. I'll link it below because I can't pronounce it. We got them. That's all these nice shimmers. We got a little Kylie. Okay, so you go with this blue feel. All right, blue darkness. Let's get into it. So going in, I don't know what we're gonna start with, but all I do know is we're gonna start by concealing her eyes. We're gonna use this Morphe concealer in the shade C365, 3.65, but whatever. Close your eyes for me, darling. I like to just slide it up on there like some gravy on the biscuit. We're gonna sop it up in these eyeballs. Come on now. Let's stop. We're going with this large shadow Ulta brush and just blend out that concealer. It's gonna help create a base for it instead of priming it. Just makes the colors pop. But you want to go with the periwinkle blue Jesus. I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but we can get you a blue moment. Tell me how you think this is. So we're going to take our MacBook. I'm going to this orange shade right on here. It's a nice little shading brush. Or blending brush, my bad. Y'all forgive me. Sue me. We're just going to bring it in and give her a little base to start with. Now I'm just bringing it into her crease. And we're going to build it up. So now we're going to go in with Voss Flamingo palette. We're going to the shade Beach Ball, which is like a little dark, a little hunter green. It ain't the blue yet, but we're going to start right here at the base. Just add a little color. So now what we're going to do is we're going to give her a slight cut crease because she wants that beautiful periwinkle blue. Right. So we're going to go in with a concealer brush. Oh, this is dirty. Got purple on. Using a nice little color changing also from the Crayon case. Like, I really love this brand. They have so many innovative products out there. Simple, really affordable. It's black owned. Just awesome. And your stuff comes quick. You order on Monday, that stuff sometimes here Friday. Ooh, love it. With that same brush that I used the concealer on, we're going to start applying this periwinkle color she wanted. So she actually wanted this one from the Crayon case. So we're going to go ahead and do that one. I'm going to take the same brush, dip it right into the product. I'm just going to pack light. So now, finish up what you think. Take your first look, your review.
I like it. Eat some lip gloss.
She eats. Let's see what we can do. So now we're gonna go outside, take a few pictures, throw up some shots for later. Love you guys.